How you going, guys? It's Dave from All Brand Caravan Services. Today I'm in this Comfort Caravan that we're doing an internal modification. We're fitting a dust pressure hatch to the roof. The customer's complaining is when he's on dusty roads that the van does get a bit of dust in it. So to do so, first of all, we wrap the inside of the van in this plastic liner that you see beside me. It'll protect all your cushions and bedding while we're doing any repairs. Second of all, we've marked into position where it is located, and then we're going to be framing it out, cutting the hole and fitting the hatch to the outside, and it's got an internal cover that'll make it look all pretty on the inside. So in a second video coming up, you'll see the completed product. Okay guys, now I'm just on the roof and I'm just fitting the dust pressure hatch into position. Once I've got it in the correct position, I'll remove it, reseal it and fit it to the van and perimeter seal it as well to ensure that there will be no leaks. If you guys have any questions at all, give us a call and we'll be able to help you out. Thank you.